Okay, so that's the, if you will, the mount, or that part connected to the camera. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. And there you go. With one hand, you know, I did it simple feature. Just screw it on to the bottom of the camera. That's what I did, and I locked it in place, and it works. So there you go. The Amazon Basic mount does actually work with this Panasonic model. Right there, it actually works. Okay, so for the Amazon Basics tripod, again, pretty nice tripod, especially for $15. I don't know any of the proper terminology, so I'm just going to call it whatever I can think of. Handle right here makes it easy to pick up. T&E, as I'm going to call it. You can basically raise up the camera, but you can see as I'm doing this how the thing is actually wobbling. So that, you know, that may be something for you guys, that if you need a larger base, or if you want to be able to do this with one hand. Now obviously if I held it still, it wouldn't wobble. This is a locking mechanism. Well, yeah, I'm gonna call it a locking mechanism. If, you know, with that being loose, I can move the camera left and or right. Once I lock it down, it pretty much, or once I turn this, tighten this, if you will, all the way, it pretty much prevents it from moving. I probably still could take it and twist really hard. I talked about this in the other video. It simply unlocks this, the base part, as I call it, which attaches to the camera. And then once you want to get it on there, you simply do it like that, and it's locked in. There's a level here. There's a level there to make sure you're good to go. And then there are clips down here on each leg when you want to raise the legs up. Fully erected, legs spread out, and all the legs are extended. This here is an actual locking, like a base locking mechanism. I can loosen that up, if you will, to let it collapse, or if I don't want it to collapse, you can tighten that down, and it'll actually stay or prevent the legs from collapsing. Probably 60 inches, somewhere around there, fully stood up. And that's it. Again, I think I paid $15 for this, and they shipped it out here in less than a week, so I can't complain.